Hello, I'm Stephen Cuddy. I'm a Systems Applications Engineer with Analog Devices, and today I will be demoing a battery-operated electromagnetic flow meter. Many countries lack a well-developed water monitoring system which prevents integrated water resource management, particularly in water-stressed regions. The challenge in installing water management systems lies greatly in the need for a higher accuracy, alongside the time and resources required with traditional options where power and cabling is required. Where there are battery options available, they lack longevity, and battery replacements are required every few years. ADI is offering a reliable, high-performance, low-power, battery-operated electromagnetic flow meter. Due to its low noise and dynamic power management, it can have reduced excitation currents and have a battery life of up to 9 years. The board consists of an integrated LCD which displays flow and environmental information. On the board we have the ADUCM 4050, which controls negative and positive excitation to the sensor and also controls industrial communications. There is an analog front end on the board which has the AD8237 and the AD7124 24-bit Sigma Delta ADC. The benefit with this technology is we have an overall low power consumption which can provide an extended lifetime for EM flow meters. So all in all, we can say by using ADI's low power, high performance parts, ADI can offer a battery operated electromagnetic flow meter that has a high accuracy of plus or minus 0.5% and also has an extended lifetime of up to 9 years. And for more information, please visit analog.com.